Hello everyone, in this video I show how to replace the high mounted stop lamp on Maruti Suzuki Swift. Let's open the boot. Remove these two bolts. And remove this, pull out. In my case, my high mounted stop lamp is broken. Just pull out the clip from this. It's totally broken out from here, and come from here. And this is the new one. And this is a new one. Check, it looks similarly. Yeah, it's same in my case. Insert the clip, yeah, and insert properly. And you want to read the minda. It's in a aligned way. You want to read the minda and insert properly. Open the hood and you see the bolt, and let's screw the nut. First tighten hand, and hand tighten. In my case I have a dent, so I tighten it slightly and check any panel gaps. And I have a gap on here, so I want to tighten a little bit, okay? Because of the dent, it's not fits properly, okay?